Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a new day. Let's get back into this live trading. We did good yesterday. Let's see what the market's gonna give us today. Let me get my shit set up, get my team going, and we're gonna look at the markets and see what we can get. Hold on. All right, we here with it. We here with it. Let me start my live. Go live, go live, go live. All right. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Give some people some time to hop in. 1 second. Good morning, good morning. All right. Let's see what we getting today. I still like sales right now. We just tapped into an order block. I'm not really sure what price is trying to do yet though, so I'm gonna let this tell me. I'm gonna see what that 9 o'clock candle is gonna do when it comes to CL, right? Because we're still making the actual like lower highs and lower lows, right? So if I'm going to the 4 hour, you know what I'm saying? This was the low, and then we did come up so far, right? We still got 33 minutes left in this 4 hour candle. So depending on how this 4 hour candle closes will let me know whether we're trying to take this high. We are right at this 200 EMA, so I think if we're going to take this high, it's going to be a big push. I kind of want to see it happen first before I get into the market. I want to see what price does here. If it holds this 200 and continue down, which I would like, or if we're trying to push higher, take out some of these highs to come up here. If you could see this, let's see, right here to right here, right? We've come into this 61%. So we're buying back up. So I'm trying to see what price is trying to do. You know what I mean? From this low to this high, we've come into that 61% and buying back up. Now we've closed below, which tells me that we probably want to continue down, but you never know. We might want to take some more liquidity, some more buy side up in this area. Let's see from this high to this low, what that's looking like. From this high to this low. Matter of fact, we got to do that backwards. This high to this low. 61% would be somewhere up here, which I can see why I would want to come up there. There's a 4 hour gap. Right here, I have it marked in a 1 hour or 2 hour. 2 hour. There's a 2 hour gap right there. I don't know what price is trying to do, so I'm gonna let that sit until I can kind of figure that out. It would have made more sense if price had come and tapped into this order block, and that's why price is coming up, but that's not what's happening. So I'm gonna let that sit. Let's look at gold before the open. Currently I'm liking the buys. Currently I am liking the buys. If price can close the way it's closing now, above this 200, let's see what the 4 hour. Yeah, we tapped this area, came down, refused to come down lower. So it's looking like we want to continue to take more buy side, right? We did take some sell side here. It's looking like we want to continue to take some buy side because we didn't come down. We respected this fair value gap right here. What is the 1 hour looking like? We're above that 200 on the 1 hour. I'm interested to see how this closes. If we can get a retracement coming back down this area right here, I will continue taking buys. I will continue taking buys. Here to here, we settled ourselves out. Here to here, we settled ourselves out, which makes sense. All right, so gold is looking good for the buys. I would want it to retrace a little bit more, which is why I have my alarm sitting right there. All right. Again, I kind of just want to see what price is gonna do before I just like say yeah or nay. All right, it's 8:30, so let's see what YM talking about. We ain't really retraced down yet. We still stuck in this consolidation right here on the daily time frame. I really want to push down, man. I really want a push down. Let's mark that out. We could get that push down today, or it might just keep flying up. You never know. But with this consolidation, it's looking like it wants to, let me see something. It's equal lows right there. Previous day. How y'all feeling today, man? How y'all feeling today? Yeah, I'm not sure what price is trying to do just yet with CL and gold, so I'm just waiting. Yesterday it was a little bit more clear, really early. Right now, we just took some buy side. That push just gave us some buy side liquidity. It took sell side yesterday. We just came up, took buy side. I would want to sell down. I would want to sell down to take some of this liquidity right here. See these equal lows? We got equal lows here. Previous day low created some equal lows. So I would want price to come on down. Now the thing is, we also got equal lows here. It's risky selling in such a bullish market though. But I want price action is just telling me it wants to go lower, man. Just because we keep taking buy side and not closing above. We keep taking buy side, shooting down. Keep taking more buy side, shooting down. Now, granted, we're not closing below either. So, let's go here. Price could come up here. We got this 2 hour order block sitting right there. Price could come up there before coming down. Good morning for everybody who's tapped in. Price can come up here, tap this area before shooting down, taking more liquidity, or take some sell side and then shoot up. Because this right here is actually, see, this right here is actually where this equal low is a fair value gap. I can see price coming down there. Yeah. I can see price coming down there. So we've accumulated right here. There's been a lot of accumulation right here. I wouldn't sell just yet. Hold on. Did it take that? Nope. It did not take this yet. Buy side taken. Price usually takes buy side first. We want to sell. But I can't just go off that just because there's this right here is equal lows and a fair value gap. So we could easily come down and push right back up. Excuse me. I think today is one of those days where we kind of gotta let price show us his hand. And we got news. Let me see what time news is. 1 second. See what time news is. News is at 8:45 and 9 o'clock. So yeah, if we take, I'm not gonna do anything until then. And we got news at 12:45. 8:45, which is an orange folder, and then 9 a.m. Wait, that's tomorrow. I'm tripping. We just got 9 a.m. today. Yeah, I'm tripping. We just got 9 a.m. today. I do like potential sales here. This shit look just like yesterday, don't it? It looked just like yesterday. Right up in there. Coming up, shooting down. But I want to see how it ends. How it closes. Especially with news at 9 a.m. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so CL is looking like we're going to get a good push down. I really do like it. I'm going to wait to see if we can get a push back up somewhere in this area and then push down before we take out these lows. Hopefully, if we don't take out these lows, I would want to sell down to take out this low. If we take out this low first, I'm a little... It actually may be good if we take out that low first. Let's see what that next 15-minute candle do. I highly doubt it's coming all the way back up here, which is why I have this order block. I think it will come back, retest that order block, and then find ourselves shooting back down. That's beautiful. Buy side taken on a higher time frame. On a 5-minute, we got market structure shifts right here. Let's see what we can get right now. Let's bring my stuff up. Y'all up today? Y'all kind of quiet. Y'all up today? What y'all looking at? I got CL right now, and I like gold for the buys. I want it. We just took buy side. Come down, take some sell side. Tap into some of these areas right here. And buy back up. YM, I'm just a little iffy. I'm just a little iffy on YM. Just for the simple fact is we gotta have some sort of retracement for the buy. So I probably wouldn't buy right now. Come on now. Yeah. But it's looking just like yesterday, to be honest with you. Alright. Let's see if we can get some rejection up in this area. Let's see what the candles tell us. Sell side taken. Well, I'm interested to see how this 15-minute closes, though. I do like the sales. I like the sales. Alright, we done tapped into the fair value gap. Let's see what we do. Remember, I'm telling y'all, I'm super patient when it comes to my entries. Sometimes, most people would enter right here off that fair value gap, right? And then put their stop somewhere up here. I'm a little different in a sense of I sometimes need to see a break for confirmation. Right? I need to see a break for confirmation. So I'm going to wait just a little bit because I'm also trying to see how this 15-minute is going to close. Right? Because we can't close below these lows. I don't know if I want to take that. Yeah, man. I don't like how that 15-minute close, if I'm being honest. We tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap right there. This is why I wait, fam. This is also a fair value gap and order block. So we tapped into that, which tells me we might want to continue up. So I'm going to hold off on this until it's showing me differently. Till we get like a close below. Which broker do y'all use or prefer? What you What you trading, futures or forex? Futures. I use Tradeovate. That's the only one that I use as far as futures go. I use Tradeovate. You are gonna have to buy the data though, which I think is like 30 to $40 a month. I think. Yeah, yeah. I don't integrate it with TradingView. I just trade off Tradeovate, but you can. What's up, Nico? I ain't seen you in a little minute, fam. How you been? All right, we done tapped this area right here. Do I think I would rather buy side. We took buy side, came down, take sell side. Naturally, we should continue down. It's just tricky, fam. This particular setup is super tricky. You been focused, trading a little on your own. I feel that. You trading like your own account or you still prop firm? YM is a little tricky right now. We're in between, like we're in this little area right here that I don't really like. And this shit right here playing. I need price to tell me it's ready to go down, which means it needs to close below. This 1 hour needs to close below. So I'm gonna wait till that 1 hour is up. What's gold doing? You been seeing me though? You failed the 100K, but focused on passing the 200. That's what's up. Hey, them failures ain't shit but a lesson, fam. I done failed so many of them. Especially because they got, it's meant for you. It's meant for you to fail. It ain't meant for you to pass. It's meant for you to fail. So keep going, keep pushing. You definitely got to have a game plan. Yeah, man. And to be honest with you, don't have no timeline on when you trying to pass that shit. I feel like for me, every time I pass it, I'm like, you know what? I ain't trying to pass right now. Or I'm like, I don't really have an expectation on when I'm going to pass. I just take the setups and I look up one day and I'm just like, damn, I'm about to pass. You know what I'm saying? I focus on, my live account or something like that as far as making money, but I ain't really forcing myself to try to pass these accounts because that's when I usually blow it. When I'm going in talking about, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to risk a little bit more today so I could pass today or shit like that. Like, that's when I blow it. But you're going to pass it, fam. Who you using right now? I know you with Forex, right? Yeah, if this 1 hour can close something like this, leaving this fair value gap or close with a good rejection, I like it if we can get a push down and then a push up. 2 hour has to close above though. Taking previous day high. All right, this previous day high. Let me make sure. Oh, we have not taken previous day high yet. I got my shit off up. So that's where I would be aiming for. Is to take previous day high. This also could flip. You see, this also could flip. Since it was that close and did not take previous day high, this also could flip. So I'm gonna watch out for that. I have never heard of that, Nico. Buy side taken, sell side taken, then buy side. I do believe in the buys. They super legit. Forex, right? They used to be called Ascendix. Change name and yeah, Forex. Okay. Okay. I think the only Forex right now, as far as prop firm that I am like still like okay, they still doing good as far as like challenges and shit. Is Blue Guardian. I don't know if y'all heard of them, but they're really the only ones. But I know there's some legit ones out there though. So I don't know about taking this, fam. And when I'm iffy, I don't like it. If ever I'm iffy, I do not like it. I want to be like, okay, I'm ready to take it type shit. And we still in this area right here. Let's see what price does in this area. I just don't know, fam. Let me stay off this shit. Let me stay off YM because YM confuses me right now. We just in a area where we just so choppy that I just don't know if this is something I want to take. Cause we technically can buy or sell from this area right here. We could continue to buy up, taking this, or we could drop, taking these lows. Blue Guardian and top tier, Quant to Kale, and top tier. Yeah, we was talking about the futures one yesterday. So if you still trade Forex, them the three right there that Nico just put in the chat. Check them out. We did on the 1 hour close above this right here, this high, which is why I want to continue buying. But we about to come up on news. Made 2K on Nas, made 2K on US 30. You took that's a breakout. You took, it looked like a breakout after off the AMD model. We getting some push down here again. I kind of want to see how this closes. Taking previous day, yeah, I saw that we did take previous day low, which makes me want to sell on US 30. Continue selling. I'm just interested to see what we do. We're getting that push below the 50%, which is good, but how it closes matters. You see how we not getting that rejection I want to see right here. What's good, Nico?
bad.
Oh, you good, you good. We waiting right now, fam. I'm not really getting no like real decisive moves currently. I do like that we're in this area on the 50% on this gold. We have a 15-minute order block sitting right there, which is also a 1 hour order block, which is what I'm wanting to take. But this 2 hour is, let me see how this closes in the next minute. We're in the middle of price right now, so which is not bad, right? If we would have bought down here, that'd been beautiful, but that was yesterday. So trying to come up, right? Take these highs, but right now we're in the middle of price, which means it's tricky. It's very tricky. We can continue selling down right here. That 4 hour looking nasty. The 4 hour looking nasty on CL too. We just came. This is why I want to fucking sell. It's just don't look good. It shit just don't look good. Playing around in this area right here, you know. I'm gonna put an alarm at this 5 minute order block sitting right there, which is also a 15-minute order block. I just don't like this wick. That wick right there is really what's telling for me, you know. This shit look like it want to continue down. Thing is, we haven't gotten any type of market structure shifts to tell me that selling is where we want to, what we want to do. Unless you are including this right here, that's not much of a market structure shift to me. That's just taking buy side to come up, like took sell side, come up. You know what I mean? Took buy side. We should ideally come take some more liquidity, kind of like where it's at right now, and then push up. So, but if we fall in, have y'all taken anything? I know Nico, you said you took Nas and US 30. First of all, how you take both? Like, I know they both was moving fast as shit. Oh, okay, not at the same time. 10 minutes apart. It's the 1 minute. Oh, okay. Okay. That makes sense. I might take this sell down. If we can break this low, these lows here, I might take this sell. I'm gonna wait on the bearish close though. The reason I'm waiting on closes right now is just because I'm still iffy about it. So, because let's see our confirmations, right? Let's type in our confirmations for this. We are, go to the higher time frame. We did just take buy side liquidity, right? Which is good because yesterday we took sell side, come up, take buy side. We should continue down. We are at a premium. So that's good. Let's type this in. All right, we took buy side. So that's 2. We are bearish. Now, the biggest things right now for me is have we broken structure on a lower time frame? I can see it here. Small structure, not much, right? It's just not enough for me to be confident in it, is what I'm saying. So, for example, like yesterday, when we took that sell yesterday, up in this area here, you see how we got a huge ass push? We got a huge ass push from this area. That's why I took it. You know what I'm saying? Like you see, like these smaller candles aren't really telling me that there's volume in the market for the sellers. Those black lines I traded on 30 was liquidity, so made me want to sell. I feel you. Look, damn, look at this. I like liquidity. Taking liquidity setup sometimes. But I'm in a process right now of wanting to focus on just taking one type of setup not one type of setup, my strategy. And just liquidity setups right now are not my strategy, even though they work very well. So I used to take liquidity setups all the time. Nothing is happening right now. And we had news, right? We had news, but ain't shit happening. Let's see if we making a new low. Or if we respecting this area here. Because we could continue to come down. Coming that close to previous day high and not taking it out is crazy to me. That's crazy. So we did get a bearish candle and a bearish candle break. But why am I not confident to take it? Coming from a 1 hour order block. That's also a 15-minute order block. Right there. And it tapped. I think a part of me just wants to see it come up just a little bit more. I just want to see it reject this area and give me a bullish or engulfing or displacement, something like that. I mean, not bullish, bearish candle, which is engulfing or displacing down to tell me that we got momentum for the sales. Hold on, man. I think I want to sit down now, because this is going to be a long one. Give me some sort of rejection. I'll probably end up taking this sell. Where am I going to take it to? We've got lows here and even down here. It's probably going to be the next 15-minute candle that does it for us. If it gives it to us. I should have known, right? Just because it took sell side first. Well, usually when it takes sell side first, you want to buy. I'm going to be patient, man. Because we still are in this order block, right? We still have yet to, I guess it's a market structure shift on the 5-minute. I just kind of want to see what this does. If it gives me confirmation that this is holding and we can get a push down, I'll take it. Shit. I'm glad. Look at that. Damn. That's why you gotta trust your instincts, fam, because some told me, I was like, this is not giving me the, you know what I'm saying? It's just not showing it wants to sell yet. Now, it could reject here and come down, right? It could reject here and come down. I'm going to put this right there. Giving me that rejection that I need and some sort of displacement. That's all I need is for, give me some volume telling me that we want to push down. Right now, it's not giving me that. It's telling me that we probably want to continue up. All right, we tapped the fair value gap. And we still got a minute left. Yeah. Just a waiting game right now. I do like the rejection for sure. We can get a break I'll take that. Hold on, let me get my shit together. If we can get a break, I'll take it. Gotta be patient, fam. Let's see what Price trying to tell us. This could be a good buy. I just don't want buys right now. So I'm gonna stick to gold. Gold is either gonna continue selling down, or this was just a deep ass retracement. Which I've seen gold do before. We're just holding this area here, so sales just look way better. And we're below the 200 on every single time frame. All right, we're below the 200 on every single time frame. So if it gives me that inkling that if it gives me that confirmation, then I'm gonna take this sell. Previous day high, previous day low. We have yet to take the previous day high. We came very close to taking it. We actually damn near almost gave me an equal high. We didn't even tap this fair value gap here. Took London. New York took London high. I wouldn't be surprised if we come and take Asian and London low. Well, we took London's low, then London's high. I'm just gonna sit until I get confirmation, y'all. I've been on here for a good, hour? Almost an hour. I just need confirmation. Alright, we just broke, so I'm gonna get in that sell.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna sell here.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in these cells. Where did I get in at? 1, 4. Right there. Alright, that's my 2 to 1. Let me see if that's aligning with anything. I might have to take it before the full 2. Just cause where we sitting at. That's a good little push now. We've got lows right here, which is where I might take partials at. The only reason why may not hold for my full 2-to-1 is just because of how close we are to these lows. You feel me? We're close as hell to these lows. So I might take partials here. Because I don't know what price is going to do after that. See, we already rejecting after taking these lows. I don't like that. But I'm going to continue to hold. Continue to hold. Now, if we start coming up here, giving a lot of bullish pressure, past, like, you know what I'm saying, engulfing that candle, which it looks like it's trying to do, I'll have to rethink it. I'm going to let it take me out, though. I'm not just going to get out. Just because I know price is going to react at a low, right? We just took a low, which means we're going to react. Just got to give myself some time. Some breathing room, right? Because we tapped into this fair value gap barely, and we rejected. So you gotta give yourself some breathing room. We could come back up here and then drop though, which would suck because I don't know if I'm willing to hold that. Let's see what we do, man. I do think we still got room to come down. Do I have my stops at a good point? My stops probably should be above this 200, but how big of a, that's almost 50. Almost 50, fam. It closed above that. I don't know if I like it. Time is it? 9:26. Okay, I like the rejection. Let's see if we can continue to reject, or if we're going to continue to go up in this area here. It's definitely playing around, fam. But it is what it is. It is what it is. You just gotta be okay with the outcome. You see how it just rejected, use this area right here as an inverse fair value gap. We still got a long way to go though. We still in drawdown. So I just gotta pay attention to shit like that. Which means this is not gonna be a 2-to-1. This is a 2-to-1 right there. I'm probably not gonna hold that long though. If we can get that pushback down, I'm probably not gonna hold that long, just considering where I have this marker right here. I think, is that a 1-to-1? A little less than a 1-to-1. I might have to take some right there though, just because that's where some like two like high, like important lows are. Let's see if we push up, taking this, like tapping back into that, or if we continue down. I hate drawdown, fam. That's just necessary. Y'all didn't get scared, did y'all? Who in it? Who in this trade? Did anybody take this trade? Anybody still in it? let me not talk too fast though before this shit flip on my ass. But anybody in this trade, or y'all just watching today? You okay? Bet. We ain't out of the woodworks yet, fam. You was seconds away, but then it went in drawdown. If we could just hold this area here and just drop, that would be good, you know. But shit can't always be too easy. Like yesterday's trade went straight into profit. We ain't getting no drawdown at all. Two micros sold one in profit. Okay. I'm in drawdown right now. I really don't want to see another bullish candle, if I'm being honest with you. Because that tells me we probably want to come and take these highs. You know? That's what that's telling me. Probably want to come and touch and take these highs. Let's see where we at, man. I'm not down too much right now. I'm glad I didn't take that sell. What YM doing? Selling. A lot of shit is just iffy right now. I'm playing around. I gotta be strong, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can't be wavering through this drawdown. I cannot be wavering through this drawdown. Come on now. Tell me something good. Go tell me something good. Really? I'm probably gonna take some profit right there. If we can come back down, take this low, I'm probably gonna take some profit. Because I really don't want to see another push up. At this point, I just want to see a shoot down. This shit playing. Damn. Within a second, that shit flipped. Within 1 second, that shit flipped. You said this trade still look good, but I'm gonna stay disciplined and take my few wins. Yeah, you already won twice, fam. You shouldn't even be trading again. You got 2 W's. This is my first trade, so win, lose, or draw. I'm done after this one, though. Yeah, you got 2 W's. Be done for the day. Just chill, watch the charts, or not watch the charts. You know. I done got to the point where I can't. After my trade, I gotta get up, just cause I be wanting to think like I can get in again, end up losing some money. You know what I'm saying? You got a flight. Where you going? Not me and your business, but where you going? Soon as I get up off this charts, I'm going straight to the gym, so I can get my mind on something else. Win, lose, or draw, I'm getting up. San Antonio for work. Travel med tech. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, fam. Come on and stop playing. What is we doing here? What is we doing right now? Let me see something there real quick. We're just doing a lot of playing around. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really like it. I don't like it at all. How long? Do you have to travel a lot, Nico?
Yeah, usually uh basically usually the assignments are usually a month long, and I just go to different cities, different hospitals, and they pay for everything, hotel, car, per diem, so it's nice.
You be there for a whole month?
Yeah, wherever I'm at. Like I was in Houston last month for a month. Now I'm in San Antonio, but they just cut it short, so I'm leaving at like 6 p.m.
Mm. You like it?
Yeah, it's easy. All I do is like when you go to the hospital and like they connect you to the IVs and stuff.
Yeah.
The machine that is a part of the IV, I basically calibrate those machines. They're like 8,000 per machine, so it's like $1 million
Shit.
site every time I go because it's like thousands of devices that we gotta fix.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you like it though, cause having to travel a lot like that, you gotta like it.
Nah, yeah, and basically you just sit down all day and just work on the machines, but it get repetitive and kind of boring. But like you only you sitting down literally, so it's like it's nothing,
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. I'm an accountant, so my shit, I'm at the computer all day.
right? And I can kind of like they let you listen to music, and I can like trade when I like at work basically too.
I fuck with it, fam. Keep doing your thing. I fuck with it.
Trying to live the dream,
Right,
Clippers.
right. Stack that money and then do this shit. Come on, bro. How long we been in? We been on this thing for over. First of all, I've been recording for over an hour. We've been in this shit for damn near 30 minutes. Just drop already. I'm telling you I'm taking partials. I'm not letting this shit get from me. Having to sit through that shit all day. I'm taking partials. I just needed to drop. I'm gonna take partials somewhere up in this area if we can get down there.
I'm in your Discord, and this other kid, he 19.
Yeah.
He got two 400 no, he got two 200K accounts, and last month alone he made 100K.
What the fuck?
Yeah, he's insane. Like he's in college and he doesn't even need to be there, but he's just going for his parents.
That's crazy. 100K in 1 month?
100K. Like I'll show you his P&L. It's insane, and he does it live every time.
How he
But
what?
he goes for like he trades based off levels, and like he's really good at it. And he goes for like 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2, but nothing like too crazy.
Oh, okay, he a scalper.
Yeah, but he risks.
A
He has
lot.
two. Yeah, he risks 5,000 on each account.
I mean, you got a 200K account, right? 5K ain't that bad when your drawdown is 20,000.
Right, and he has a buffer of 20,000, so that's why he risks kind of crazy.
That's what I'm saying right there. That Forex shit, like if you do it right, you know what I'm saying? It'll get you where you need to be. Cause 100K is crazy.
Crazy. That's why I was like, I gotta see what he's talking about. And his thing is only $19 a week, so it's like less than 100 a month. So I'm like, I gotta see what he's talking about.
Right. Making that much money. I would too, shit. I don't know if I'm gonna do the Forex thing. I've been thinking about it because you can make a lot more money on Forex, right? Because you got a lot more wiggle room. You don't really got that much wiggle room on futures. So I've been thinking about doing it, like going to the Forex side, but I'm trying to stack my futures first, and then I'm gonna do that. Cause that shit legit. If you know what you're talking about, being able to risk a lot more to make a lot more. Obviously, you gotta look at this shit right here, bro. This shit better not like do what I think it's gonna do. Just come on. But yeah, like you could risk a lot more. Obviously, you know what I'm saying, you gotta know what you're doing because you take 2, 3, you know what I'm saying, $5,000 hits, you know what I'm saying, your account almost gone. So if you know what you're doing, that shit legit. And I think you got 2 phases in Forex.
Yeah, 2 phases.
Okay.
I think he just got like, I think he's been trading for like 4 years, and like like he got profitable like 6 months ago, and just took off like literally. Well, he been profitable, but like really gaining. Like
Yeah.
he started making like 2,000 a day, this and that, and then now he's up to like crazy amounts, like 5 to 10K a day now.
I can see why though. 1 and 1, going for 1-to-1s, and you risking 5,000. That shit. That's kind of like who be doing that? Doyle, right? With his strategy, he go for like 1-to-1s, and that's actually pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Like for his strategy. So I understand. This shit playing. I don't look at this. I kind of just want to get out at break even. I'm getting out at break even if this continues. Yep, took me out at break even on that one. This one not quite yet. I got in a little early on this one, so if it break above, it'll take me out on break even. Alright, that means I'm getting back in. That means I'm getting back in. Right here.
Order filled.
I'm still in on my other account. And for this one, if we break above that candle, fam, I don't know if I want to deal with it. Let me see why it's doing that. We got this volume imbalance right there. So that makes sense. Oh, hey, yeah. Uh-uh. It just did that to me twice. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm giving it some room, but if it continue going up, my stops are at a point where it'll take me out with a lot less than what I was risking. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try that Forex, but right now I'm just gonna focus on futures. But I'm gonna try probably 2025. I'm gonna do maybe a challenge in Forex.
That's his P&L. He's like a crazy white kid. Like he just crazy white kid. Like he'll say anything.
You said he'll what?
Just like a crazy white kid, like just full of energy.
He probably ain't scared of shit. He just be risking.
Yeah, but he's smart with it though for sure. Like he's pretty disciplined.
That's good. For 19, that's amazing. All right, I think I'm about to get out, bro. Like, it's playing with me. I hate what it's doing right now. Trying to give it some room, but the fact that we just created like some sort of like double bottom right here.
Filled.
Oh shit, it took me out right there. Which one did it take me out on? It took me out for $200 on something. Oh, Apex. I still think we're going down, fam. It's just, it's playing around for too much. So I'm gonna get out.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get out. I'm $200 down right now for the day, and I don't know if I want to get back in or not, but that's gonna be it for me for the live goes. I don't know if I'm gonna get back in, but I've been on this thing for way too long, fam. I appreciate y'all.
Yeah, I was playing around. But
yes.
Look at his P&L. It's crazy.
Let me see. What's up with the pictures though? That's crazy.
I told you he's a crazy white kid.
That's crazy. Yeah, it looked good though. He taking some losses, but he got more wins. So his risk to reward is crazy. I mean, not risk to reward, but his win ratio.
Yeah, and he's real disciplined about break even. Like real good at break even.
So when do he go break even if he take 1-to-1s?
No, he like that's so like usually it's like at least 1.5.
Oh, okay.
Normally 2, but like he'll go break even if it's past like a level, like a liquidity level, like where like it took it out and he doesn't want it to come back down. So like
I feel that. Okay.
If it keep going, it'll keep going.
Okay. All right. Well, yeah, man. I think I am done for the day. I don't really want to continue trying to risk gold. I do think it's gonna come down, but right now it's playing, and I just don't want to. I don't know. I'm gonna see what it does. I'm gonna wait. I just don't want to record no more. I want to be off since we've been recording for almost 2 hours. So I'll see y'all I'm off tomorrow, so I'll see y'all on thank you, Jazz. It was nice live. Appreciate you. Keep showing up. I appreciate everybody who keeps showing up every single day. But I'll see y'all on Thursday. Once again, I do not trade on Wednesday, so I'll see you guys Thursday live, right? I like this. I like trading with y'all live, so we're going to keep this going every single day, all right? And again, remember, this will not be free in 2025, but for the people who are already in here, it will be grandfather and you will not have to pay. But in 2025, let people know if they're trying to hop in now, because 2025 it will be charged, all right? Again, appreciate everybody who's tapped in. And I'll see you guys on Thursday. Peace.